Let's make some roasted chicken stock. I prepped up a nice organic chicken and will roast it at 400 degrees for about an hour. It reached 170 degrees and will continue to cook as it cools, so I will let it cool down for about 15 minutes or until it's cool enough for me to tear it apart with my hands. The meat is removed and will be used for another purpose. I probably put it into chicken soup tomorrow. All the skin is discarded. And the bones are added to a 5-liter stock pot. The vegetables are what's going to make this stock or bone broth taste delicious, so I add as many as will fit into the pot. I like to use onions, carrots, celery, garlic, tomato, parsley, bay leaf, and if I have a little thyme or oregano, I'll add that too. Salt and pepper, of course. I've topped up the pot with some water and I'm going to put it on the stove for about 3 hours to simmer gently. I use a china cap over a 4-liter container to strain out the stock. I also have another 4-liter container with some ice on the bottom of it so I can put the one container over the ice and cool it down before I put it into the fridge. If I put it into the fridge right away after it's still hot, it's going to turn my fridge into a sauna, just like it's doing to the lens of this camera. Looks like I got about a 2-liter yield on this stock. It'll be better tomorrow after it has a chance to rest.